Go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl
Unique.
And it's your girl Shelly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe
To our channel. Yes, so this
and
week what we're doing, as you can see by the title, we're doing word association.
And before we jump right into the video, remember to go ahead and follow us on our socials.
Socials.
That's on Instagram at Shelly Lisa B, on Facebook at Shelly Lisa, and also go ahead and follow my business page, that's Forever Thoughts, on both Instagram and Facebook. Go ahead
And follow me on Instagram at Queen Yan Brown, and on Facebook at Yannick Brown, and on TikTok at Yannick Brown 8.
Yes, so go ahead and check us out on our social. So as we said before, this week we're doing song association, as she explained before. So we'll be given a word where we both would have 10 seconds to sing that word in a song, right? The rules are, we're given a word where each of us will have 10 seconds to sing that word in a song, right? So if she sing the song, and the word is in the song, and if she not reach a word by the 10 second, she lose.
Alright,
She not get that. So let's jump right into this video. Okay, so who's going first? Let's get right into this video. So who's going first?
Me, let me ask you first.
Okay, you're first.
You have a time up on your phone?
Let's set that timer. So let's see who's going first. As I asked where we started them.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Love.
Love. Ain't nobody can love me like me. Nobody. Nobody can love me
Alright,
like
so
me.
you get 1 point. Okay, ask me now.
I mean, if they're not gonna say no, but I'm singing. Alright. My one finger. I'm gonna start the timer. Start.
1,
Go.
2, 3, finger.
Finger.
Make me forget girl roll with me, yeah. Girl roll with me, can I go in the West Indies? Something like this. I say go.
Finger.
If I say go. Alright.
Okay.
Your turn. End.
End. Well, I'm
E-N-D.
A lot of God.
Timer.
Can't find one. Reset.
1, 2, 3. End.
End. End of the road. No, end of the road.
Sorry. You don't lose already, you know?
Bread McKnight.
No, you don't get that. You don't get that.
With a bread McKnight.
End of the road. Although we come. Everybody said that, no?
To the end.
Sure. You don't get that one day, sorry. Try again.
End of the road. Like, what the hell? End of the road. What was that anyway?
She pick up her own song.
Alright. Fight.
Start timer. Me is a girl, me no fight over man. From a little bit of just summertime. This a girl only one give.
But you don't anyways.
But I already get it.
Because anyways, whatever.
I get it.
Oh.
Okay, my word. Time.
Time.
Word with time in I want to song with time.
What time is it? Party time. It's a celebration. What time is it?
Summertime, she said, Jesus Christ. But I'll give you points. I even feel sorry for you. I'm already get 2 points. You have 1 point.
No, but that's in
what time is it? Summertime.
We're on vacation.
You have after you don't get it right. You can feel sorry for you. Alright, for time, your turn.
Alright, might me look on the word first and then we start the timer because we can't. Yeah,
that makes sense.
Alright. That's evenings. Split.
Splitting at the middle, girl. Splitting at the middle.
No, me know what that is. Which song is so?
We don't gonna split. No, I drink a song goes over true.
You're up.
Alright, time up. I'm gonna find it on YouTube.
No.
Splitting
Splitting
at the
in
middle.
middle. What? No, see. Yeah. We don't know the song. Splitting in the middle.
Okay, I'm gonna get a point then. Okay, she's like, keep a point. Yeah, honor yourself. Let me get this one already. Okay. Story. Start.
Story.
Yeah, word story. 6, 7.
Let me tell you a bedtime
8,
story, baby. Let me tell you a bedtime story.
What song that there?
My song.
You can read the story of my life. I take her home. Okay, you know get the one day. Sorry.
I'll be a stupid ass thing you put in there. Come on, what is that?
Look how much Jamaican song a story.
What?
Real get a story. Look, you remember the song there?
Maybe they want to sing.
You see because she don't like losing. Ready? Go on.
Dance.
Get up and dance, dance, dance. Free up yourself and dance.
Because I be an idiot singing ask.
Alright. You want to good. Me now ask her, she said, you say a word.
I'll be an idiot question. Be idiot.
I'm answer one. Happy. Ready? Go on. Start the timer. Happy.
Apple on it if you feel like.
Oh, because that first thing comes to mind.
Yeah, because
Alright.
I'm happy.
Come on, if you know what happiness is to you. Ba-da-ba-ba. Alright,
my time. Goals.
Just Christ have mercy. Goals. Me not get that one, let me sorry. Forget what the goals. You must have me we have goals tonight.
I don't know.
I say me give full word.
Goals.
Me no know.
I don't know. What kind of goals tonight?
You and me, baby, we got goals. We're gonna meet your expectations.
Period.
Boop. Yes, okay. My turn? Alright. Why do you say to go bed?
There's a meeting in my bed.
In my bed.
There's a meeting in my bed. In my bed. There's a meeting in my bed. In my bed. There's a meeting in my bed. In my bed.
Love a song now already. Well, you get the one right.
Okay, my turn. 1. As in 1.
Number 1?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Steady, go. 1 is like a dream come true. 2, don't wanna be with you. 3, girl, it's clear to see that you're the only one for me. And 4, is some 2, 3, yeah. 5, make you fall in love with me. If ever I'm
okay, afterward, I don't know.
Alright. We started back and
you just go ahead, you can't sing.
No, me not sing, that's
yeah.
When we start, or when we start the singing part?
No.
Alright, when we start the singing part, watch it now.
No.
Wait, watch the next one. So you get one next, me get 1 point. Alright. 1, 2, 3, breakfast.
Breakfast?
It's a word. It's association.
Breakfast in bed. Breakfast in bed now. I got the bed now.
Okay.
I got the na.
That doesn't make no sense.
Breakfast in bed.
Breakfast in bed, darling. I got my head. Alright, you get to one already. Someone else saying to music, you know. Alright, my turn. Your turn. My turn.
At least we get it. Alright. Matey.
Wife a wife. Matey or mate?
Matey.
Me no matey. Why you do with this?
Matey.
Me time up.
Long time upset
What kind
him.
of song matey now?
Matey.
Tell me one song of matey.
What?
One song of matey.
Me no know. Me no matey. Me no know.
I don't know the song of matey now. What is song name? Oh no, matey. Alright.
Song.
Auntie for song me I think about.
Alright.
Carnival, I gotta mix with no carnival. I tell no look and then I lost carnival. Can't food roll and she smell like hospital. I want to some girl. Hey, girl, I make a because you know your body good. Hey, for your shoes and your head, I look no. Hey, for them if you know you wish them good. And everything I like real busy. Alright, no, ready, your turn.
Alright, go down below and comment and tell us a song that has meat in it.
Hey, come in and song with me.
Yes, go a song have meat in
Alright,
it.
your word now. 1, 2, 3, ready? Bag.
Bag.
E-A-G.
I want a bag of money.
Send them one
Want
the
a bag
week.
of
One song or so?
money.
No. You know, say must become our songwriter. You can't just make song up by spot like that.
But that bag of but a song should be. Yeah, Nick.
Alright, your time up here.
Yeah, but one song should I name so?
Bag.
One song want a bag of money.
One song or so.
Yeah, but
Probably
probably
bag of money, more box of money, something like that.
probably I get the rhythm right, but I forgot so.
But you still not get it though. Me sorry. You can't make up your own song then. You can't bother.
And look up the song in it, but one song I forgot so.
Your song I forgot so.
Who the sing was say they want a bag of money?
Not me.
Okay, we're
I
done.
want a trailer load of money. I want a bag of money.
Alright.
Hurry up.
Bumper.
Cock up to me bumper, pull up to me bumper. When I'm on the limousine, girl pull me over. Cock up to me bumper. Right now, my points, by the way. You didn't get the last. You never get the last one.
Okay.
Alright, my one. I think it's the last one for me.
Mm.
You must. Alright, let me get one. Let me get one nice one. Make it one nice one. Make it one nice one.
Hurry up.
Phone.
Kiss me through the phone.
How much phone sound did it?
Baby, you know that I miss you. I don't want to get to. That's the issue.
How much sound did it phone? Kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you get home. Then I get home.
So kiss me through the phone.
Through the phone.
See you when I get home.
When I get home. Alright, the last one, you asked me last one and that's it.
Baby, you know that I like you.
You can be my wife, something I need. I don't know the lyrics to this song. I'm from Jamaica, we know all the lyrics.
Yeah.
You have one more word for me?
Yeah, I have one more word left. See.
They see me rolling.
See as in see you with the whole of water.
I don't know that.
But they see me rolling. No, we want again that see. 10, 9, 8.
Alright, continue 8 because you cannot see.
6, 5, 4.
What song I've seen now? Like, God, me want to see that person. I'm going to write the song I've seen.
Under the sea.
How come you never think about that? Under the sea. We're something that's under the sea. We know your talk. Well, not, because you think about the song there. Okay, think about the song there.
No, just think what you know. Say which song I've seen when my dad say see under the sea.
So who win then?
I didn't look like I didn't come out. I didn't look like I was going to come out as the winner. Half of me and say she know that I don't listen to songs and she class me and who are the champion? Champion.
You know, say something come to any
Me.
as this. Alright.
Me. I'm the champion. I win. Yes. So, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Boop, 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 boop. And go ahead and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And go ahead and watch our previous video before and one before that. And go ahead and like, comment on those videos. And remember, we post every single Sunday. So keep it locked. Turn on the post notification to get notified whenever we post. That's every Sunday, yeah? Keep it locked. Stay tuned and we'll see you guys next week with another lit video. And we are out.